Welcome to our video on YARA rules for malware identification and classification. YARA is the industry standard tool for identifying and classifying malware. From ransomware to weaponized documents, YARA gives defenders the ability to rapidly detect malicious files across enterprise environments. Think of YARA as a system for creating, quote, malware fingerprints. It is a rule-based language that identifies and classifies malware by matching patterns and characteristics found in files, memory, and systems. YARA is used across malware analysis, threat hunting, incident response, and digital forensics. Every YARA rule has a structured format with 4 key sections: rule name, metadata, strings, and condition. The strings section defines patterns, while the condition section determines when the rule fires. The syntax is human-readable, flexible, and highly customizable. YARA rules find malware through pattern matching. These patterns can include file and text patterns, command and registry patterns, ransomware indicators like encryption functions and ransom notes, and API function names revealing payload behavior. YARA helps analysts classify malware into known families, accelerating investigations and improving threat intelligence. Malware families include ransomware, banking Trojans, remote access Trojans, and credential stealers. YARA rules look for common, shared characteristics to classify samples. During malware analysis, defenders extract indicators of compromise, or IOCs. YARA rules search for these indicators across endpoints, memory dumps, and threat intelligence repositories. Examples include malicious domains, IP addresses, file hashes, registry artifacts, and suspicious processes. Modern detection engineering combines behavioral detections, threat intelligence, Sigma rules, and YARA-based analytics into a unified defense strategy. Organizations deploy YARA rules across multiple platforms like EDR, sandboxes, email gateways, and threat hunting systems to maximize visibility. A key challenge is the evolution problem. Malware constantly evolves. Signature-only rules break easily when malware changes. Behavioral patterns, which target unique characteristics and shared code structures, offer a more persistent detection method against polymorphic variants. Advanced security operations centers use YARA across many operations. This includes malware analysis in sandboxes, threat hunting for hidden compromise, incident response for accelerating containment, and digital forensics to extract IOCs and build evidence chains. In summary, YARA rules provide a structured way to define what to detect, use string matching to find malicious patterns, and enable malware classification. They are key for IOC extraction and for modern detection engineering across multiple platforms. Up next, we'll cover digital forensics and incident response.